Today we are going to design this circular spacer. We are going to draw these two views here in AutoCAD. So I am going to hide this grid display for this one and go to circle and center circle. And here I am going to left click anywhere and I am going to type 7. So the outer diameter is 7. As you can see from here to here it's 7. Then we are going to draw these two circle. One is 2 and the other one is 2.5. So center circle, and if I go here you can see we have this quadrant. Now we have to activate some snap objects. Here you can see we have the quadrant, we have the endpoint, midpoint, and center point. So we have to activate this center point. And when you click here on this circle, this center point of this circle is activated. And other method is you have to shift click and right click, and here you can activate the midpoint. So now it's deactivated this midpoint, shift right and activate the where is center and click here and it's 2 and again circle and go here and click 2 and make sure this is automatic constraint. This snap object is not selected here, so we have to type 2.75. Okay, so this is the view which we just drawed, and I have some layers, custom layers. I am going to select all of these by clicking the right mouse button and I am going to make it contours. And for the reference for the construction, I am going to construct another circle. And for this circle, this will be the diameter 5. So from here it is 5. So this circle is for our reference. This is wrong. Again circle, center diameter circle, and this is 2. And this, select this one and make sure it's contour layers. Okay. Now for this circle, we have to draw these three circles. So I am going to draw this one. Its diameter is 1, which is here. From center point to this one, it's straight lying on the vertical line. So center circle, and this diameter is 1. And here we have to activate, make sure this quadrant is activated. So if it's not, go to snap object and make sure the quadrant is activated. The 4 points of the circular quadrant. So this one is the straight one, not here, here, and this one is 1. And now I am going to select this circle and we have to use the array, polar array, and this point will be the center of the polar array, basically the circular array. And items we have 3 and the angle between them is 120, and fill, the total angle is 360. So that's good, associated, and we can close it. If you want, you can deselect this one and close it. Now the circles are separate. Okay, so now select these three circles and we have to make them contours. Okay, so as you can see, we already draw this view, the front side view. Now go to the side view, and for the side view, we are going to transfer our front view to the side view. The lines or the points, we are going to transfer it. Okay, so I'm going to contour, and this line from this point, from the circular point, I'm going to draw a straight line and make sure this is activated. So if this one is activated, no, you can only draw the horizontal and vertical line. So draw a line like that. Random dimension 10 is good. And again, from this point like that, we are going to track this point, and so it's 10. So from every point or circle, we are going to draw a line like that so we can transfer our view. And here I'm going to go to contours and I'm going to draw a line like that. And here it's telling its dimension is 0.25. So like that, from this side. So 0.25, 0.25, then go above, drag this point and end it here. Okay. So now from this point, you can see from this side to this side, it's 0.5. So I am going to offset this one 0.5 like that. And here again, go to construction and I am going to construct all of these lines to transfer this view. So from this quadrant to like that, and again line from this point. So line from this quadrant, again right click and repeat line and from this quadrant, and this way we are going to transfer our views. From every point, every circle, we have to draw this quadrant, and so we can transfer the view to the right side view. And here I am going to use the extend. So drag it by left clicking. So now you can see it's stretching this line. So for this tab from this point to like that and like that, we are going to draw a line. So this point, so I am going to deactivate all of these and only intersection, or shift right click at this point, shift right click and intersection here. So basically I'm going to extend these lines. So for this one I'm going to extend it, and this one I'm going to extend this one. And now I'm going to trim these points which we don't needed it, and also I'm going to trim this one and this one and select these two, and I am going to make them contours. So here we have the tab, and here you can see this one is a hole. So now I am going to go to the hidden lines line, and for this one I am going to delete it, activate horizontal vertical, this tab line, and this circle, inner circle, it's hidden like that, and again from here it's hidden, and also this circle is hidden on this view. So make sure the endpoint is here, so like that, and again repeat line, and this point is already there, and then for these points repeat line, and for these points. So every hidden view we are ready to shift there, and just trim these things, and this portion and this portion, and here you can see for this circle like that. Okay, I am going to hide these construction lines, and this is our, here you can see what is hidden and what is showing. Okay, now we can add the center points. So for this one, and center point for this circle, and center line is basically between this circle and this circle, and center line is between this and this circle, and center line between this and this circular hole. And here you can see the hidden line is not full scale, so type LTS and LTS scale and make it 0.5. So now you can see the hidden line is showing full. And here I am going to go to the dimensions and dimension the diameter. So this is diameter dimension for this one, diameter dimension for this one, diameter dimension for this one, like that, and from this point to this point, like that. Okay, now the drawing is done. Thank you so much.